Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be discussing how to create marketing goals in HubSpot. Now before we dive into the video, there is a link in the description of this video from where you can get 14-day free trial on HubSpot for yourself. So just head over to on the description of this video and just avail that offer. Alright, so now let's just dive into the video. So creating goals for your ads campaigns, it could be for anything. So let's just assume you're just creating marketing goals in HubSpot in general, and what you need to do is simply in your HubSpot account navigate to marketing, so you will be able to see marketing on your professional dashboard there, and then head over to ads. Once you are on your ads section, in the top right click create and then goal. Once you click on that, click the template drop down menu to select the type of goal you want to create, and then to create and add goal from your reports tool, you need to head over to your reporting data. So in your HubSpot account, obviously there is a reporting data section where you will be able to see goals, and then you're going to be finally from the goal section clicking on create a goal, and you can also choose a wide range of themes that are offered by HubSpot. So you can see the options are endless, so you can just select any template from there and basically your goal will be created. So below we have some different type of goals that you want to select, like for example network, cost per contact in a life cycle stage, number of contacts in a life cycle stage, and contact from first form submission. So yeah, so basically you're going to be filling all of these fields, and that's how you can easily create your marketing goal in HubSpot, and make sure to check out for yourself. Also, at the end of the video, I would like to mention that don't forget to check out the link in the description of this video where you can find 14-day free trial on HubSpot for yourself. So that is pretty much it for this video, and thank you so much for watching.